Welcome to IVAS SMS platform. Turn your OTP SMS traffic into real revenue with our powerful and global messaging system. To get started, click on Create Free Account. Enter your email address to begin the registration process. Then click on Send Verification Code to receive your OTP code. Check your email inbox for the verification code sent by IVAS SMS. Enter the code in the verification field, then click Verify and Continue. Once the code is verified successfully, you can proceed to complete your registration. Enter your full name, confirm your email, select your country, and add your mobile number. Then create a secure password and confirm it. Accept the terms and privacy policy, then click on Register to continue. Fill in your account details, including your name and email. You may also add your Microsoft Teams email if required, then click Next. Personal information such as gender, country, phone number, and date of birth. Once completed, click Next. Choose your preferred payment method, such as bank, cash, PayPal, or USDT. Select the option that suits you best. If you select cash, you will see available agent details and location information. Review the details, then click Next. Congratulations, your account has been successfully created. You can now access your dashboard and start using IVAS SMS services. Welcome to your dashboard. From here, you can monitor your activity, track applications, and manage your SMS traffic.